Now we have to set up our switch that we'll be using to engage for the Google Assistant. So here's a breadboard, and I have a push button switch. I'm just going to connect that on my breadboard. Make sure that is in all the way. Alright, and once that's in, I'm going to use these female to male connector wires, and I will put a link to where you can get these wires. They're pretty handy working with the Raspberry Pi. I'll put a link in the resources. So one end goes there, the other end goes to the other connection, and we're going to connect this to the GPIO pin 23 on the Raspberry Pi. So if you look here on the Pi itself, we're going to go down on the outside here. It's 7 pin down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're just going to plug that in, and right next to it we make the other connection, which should be ground, which is conveniently located next to it. So that should be that's all the wiring we need for our button.